What is up, guys? Standard this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Zoho CRM to n8n. So let's get started. So first, head over to the n8n's website, and after that, sign in with your n8n account. And after signing in the new tab, you will be redirected to the homepage of n8n. And from here, you can see all your workflows. But now we will create a new workflow. So on the right side, click on Create Workflow. And after clicking on that, you will be redirected to the editor section of your workflow. From here, click on Add First Step and then click on Trigger Manually. And after clicking, click on this plus icon and then in the search bar, search for Zoho CRM. As you can see, Zoho CRM, click on this and then you need to select an account action. So I will select create an account, and after that I'll click on select credential and click on create new credentials. And from here I'll just simply click on connect my account, and after that a pop-up window will appear asking me to sign in using my email or with these softwares. So I'll just sign in with my Google. After that it will ask me for my permissions. I'll just simply click on accept, and after that, when the permission has been accepted, as you can see, the connection is successful. And when my connection is successful, I'll just close this window. And in the resource section, I will choose what I want. So let's say we want a custom API call. Click on this, and then you can use the HTTP request node to make a custom API call. And let's say I want to make an account. I'll click on account, and then in the operations section I'll click on create, and then I just need to enter my account name, which is my Zoho's account name. And when I have added my account name and all the details have been filled, click on execute step. So this is showing me an error to unable to sign in without access token. Now where you will find this access token? So you just need to open a new tab, and then in the new tab you need to type Zoho API console, or you can type in api-console.zoho.eu, and after that you need to sign up with that with on your Zoho API console. And after that, when you have signed in here, you will see multiple client type options. You need to choose server based application and click on create now. After that, you need to enter the client name, and after entering the client name, you need to enter the homepage URL. So the homepage URL will be at the top of your browser search bar. You will see the homepage URL. So just copy it from there and paste it here. And after that, in the authorized redirect URLs, you just need to come over here, and then in the settings, here you can see all the settings of your workflow. As you can see, this is the access token URL. I'll just simply copy it, and then I will just paste it here and then click on create. So if you want the access token, you need to use the hosted version of n8n, and then you will be able to connect your Zoho CRM to n8n. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.